From Apple co-founders' huge update on Bitcoin and cryptos, including Dogecoin, to the latest updates about rising crypto adoption, there is a lot to talk about in this video. So let's see what exactly is happening. So Steve Wozniak, Apple's co-founder, had some words of praise for Bitcoin as he recently described Bitcoin as pure gold mathematics. And this is not the first time he has appreciated Bitcoin. Last year, he called Bitcoin the most amazing mathematical miracle, and he also believes that Bitcoin is more precious than gold because gold is not scarce enough. So this is positive news for Bitcoin and its holders, as Steve Wozniak is an experienced tech entrepreneur, and his positive comments for Bitcoin can spread an optimistic sentiment for it. However, the most important thing to note here is that while praising Bitcoin, Wozniak said that he has a less favorable view of the broader crypto industry. In this recent interview, he pointed to the sheer number of cryptos that are being created on a daily basis, claiming that many crypto projects are rip-offs. He said that there are so many cryptos that come out now. Everybody has a way to create a new one, and you have a celebrity star with it. And it seems like they're just collecting a bunch of money from people who want to invest at the very earliest stage when it's worth pennies. Now I know that there have been some crypto projects that were used to scam people, but this doesn't mean that we should completely rule out all other cryptos. There have been many other projects like Ethereum, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Solana that have been performing really well over the years. Moreover, we can see here that FTX CEO Brett Harrison has predicted that Bitcoin's dominance in cryptos will dwindle as tokens using a proof-of-stake system eat away at its market share. So it means that Ethereum and Solana may actually eat away some of the market share of Bitcoin. But Dogecoin can do the same. This is because we know that the Dogecoin Foundation and Vitalik Buterin have been working together on its transition to proof-of-stake. So the proof-of-stake network is expected to help increase the performance of Doge and others. Now another thing I want to add here is that Doge has even outperformed Bitcoin in terms of its price movements. If we see its performance during the last 5 years, Doge has been up by more than 3,300% during this time. And if we come to Bitcoin's 5-year chart, it has been up by about 840%. So what it means is that Dogecoin has clearly outperformed Bitcoin during the last 5 years. And this is one of the reasons why I think that it is not right to say that all cryptos are scams or useless and only Bitcoin is the best crypto. And with that being said, let's come to other important updates. So we are now seeing that institutional investors are returning to accumulate Grayscale Bitcoin Trust shares as the discount to spot price has risen to nearly 30%. What it means is that despite shaky conditions in the global markets, institutional investors are still interested in Bitcoin funds. So this is positive news for Bitcoin considering the overall market scenario. Another very positive news is that the Louisiana State Legislature is now considering a bill to facilitate crypto contributions to political campaigns. The bill seeks to lay down a legal framework for making crypto donations to political parties and political leaders. So this is good news since not only crypto adoption is increasing, but politicians and parties are going to embrace it. Their adoption of cryptos can provide the market with some fruitful results in the future. And coming to the next update, we know that the overall crypto market has been trading on the downside. But Real Vision founder Raoul Pal is saying that cryptos are one of the opportune trades in the current macroeconomic conditions. He is saying that a surge in food and energy prices, plus a hit on liquidity stemming from sanctions on Russia, are weighing down on the global economy. Because of these factors, the likelihood of interest rate hikes is diminishing as central banks get pushed into a corner. So he believes that the right trades here remain gold, crypto, bonds, and dollars. He also said that one sniff of a change in central banks' use of balance sheets and cryptos will explode again, but patience is required. And now, let's come to Dogecoin's current price for a minute. So it is currently moving sideways, and we have been seeing this lack of momentum during last week. Currently, the overall sentiment is looking negative for Doge since its technical indicators are giving bearish signals. One of the main reasons why I think Doge is not finding any pace is that investors are rotating their money into oil and gold amid this war. So we may see this bearish momentum continuing until this conflict goes on. But I believe there is no need to panic here. We should know that crypto winters are no different than stock sector cycling. So there will be another bull run when the investors are ready to get back in. It may even be some time, but it will happen. In any case, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think Bitcoin and Dogecoin are going to decouple from cryptos? Let me know in the comments section below.